Good afternoon, traders. And in this video, we will talk about the midday update of the market and especially using the magnet bands masterpiece indicator and the market turning points. So you can see there are two different indicators that are attached on my screen. So this is the market turning points. This is the level based indicator that provides you with the selling opportunity and buy opportunity. And the other indicator that we have is based on the bands, and it also contains the levels inside, and there is a moving average. And I will tell you that how you can use these both indicators as a combo to make massive profits from the trading market. And the strategy is very simple because if you watch my previous videos, then you will understand that how well these indicators actually perform. Okay, so first of all, the first criteria about the gold and whatever you trade, if you want to get the lifetime version of any of these indicators, then you can visit my website fxmentorus.com. The link is in the description. You can contact through Telegram channel. Telegram channel link is also given in the description of this video, and you can request for a lifetime version of any of these indicators. Okay, so first of all, if the market is coming from the upper side, so how we will come to know that the market is coming from the upper side? Definitely it will break the bands that you see here, and we do nothing when the price breaks the band. We will also wait for the market to come below the moving average, and it should give a bearish breakout, and then we will be looking for a buy opportunity, but from the level. Okay, so for example, if I show you here, then you will realize one thing, that why I am using the market turning points indicator. It's very helpful. For example, if I hide that indicator, then you can see the market turning points has, after the breakout of the moving average, the market turning points has provided me with the buy opportunity here. And then what happened, you will take a buy position and then just see at the long ride that how the market is behaving. Okay, we do nothing at the lower band and we do nothing at the top band, because here retail traders take their trades at the lower side and the upper side, but our trading method will remain in the middle. Okay, I will show you more examples so that you can understand it correctly. Okay, for example, this the market is coming from the upper side. It came down and it comes at the buy opportunity, and also the magnet bands masterpiece indicator has also printed a blue level, and then just look at the right, the price is up. Okay, so this is the same thing that you will use on all assets. Look at euro USD. The market was coming from the upper side, the first criteria met, and then it has given a breakout below the moving average. So when the price is under the moving average, then you will be looking for the buy opportunities. So just look at here, market turning points and the blue level from the magnet bands indicator, both have indicated you the buy opportunity, and just look at the price. The price is up. Okay, now the second example, like for example, if you just look at here, that we do not have a buying level here, so we will ignore that trade. Okay, so just look at another example, euro AUD. Price is under the moving average. You got a bullish two opportunities. Just look at the price next. Okay, okay, so further example, sometimes the market is, when the market is coming from the upper side, sometimes it drops massively. So if you have any kind of a buy level appeared here and your stop loss is below that level, and if you hit your stop loss, then do not re-enter into the trade, look for another opportunity. Okay, now just look at this, another example. The pound AUD is coming from the upper side of the bands, very good. Okay, it has given a close below the moving average. That's the second condition is met. The third condition, that we should have a buy opportunity. Now just look for the upper side move, and this is in front of you. Okay, okay, here the selling is going, because might be on that time there must be some market turning points, buy opportunity was there. Okay, so right now, because the indicator, the market turning points indicator works in real time, so that is why it's showing you the real time levels. Okay, now look another example. Okay, now you can see just the level is broken. Okay, so why it's broken? First of all, you need to understand the level was already here, so it has already provided you with a trade. The market is coming from the upper side. It has given the fake breakout below the moving average, first here and the second here, and then you can see already the market has went into the upward direction. So no need to trade that one if it breaks right now, because the market will not stay all the time above the near to the top level. It also targets the lower level, but the strategy is that we are going to trade in the middle, because we don't want to trade anything any other place. Okay, now here what we have seen, however, the market is not is surely coming from the upper side. Okay, so but we have seen here that the market was creating the bullish opportunity. Okay, so here we have two confirmations: the buy opportunity from the market turning points indicator, and the buy opportunity on bank nifty from the magnet bands indicator. And then you can see simply the price has moved up. Okay, now this strategy works in all type of formats that are supported on TradingView. If you trade forex, crypto, stocks, look, this is the live example I can show you. This is the Bitcoin is coming from the upper side. It has given the breakout below the moving average. Look, there was a buy opportunity and the blue level already there. Now you can see they simply went up. Okay, so this is how we need to work with that indicator. Look at this, another example. The price was down, this level was printed. Look at this, the price is moving up. Okay, so the idea behind this indicator is that retail traders are actually trading at this point. Okay, they starts to take the sell positions here, and the retail traders trade the lower point. So in the middle, the banks, there are some moves that we can easily catch with the help of these two trading view indicators. And this, that is why this indicator, these two both indicators are very powerful. Now it depends on you that you want to get the both, or you like, if you just want to get the magnet bands, it's your choice. Otherwise, if you want to go for a combo, then you can contact on Telegram, you can contact through email. The links are in the description, and you can book the lifetime version of this indicators. Thank you very much for watching this video.